Hey guys, welcome back to another Chiefpep video. Today we're going to do some serious unboxing. So welcome back. First of all, thank you for tuning in again. You've seen a trailer that I uploaded. Why was that? That was because YouTube sent me this message, and everybody who hasn't got 1,000 subscribers will be excluded for monetization. Now, what is monetization? When I make these videos, I get really small amounts of payments from YouTube, really small amounts due to the advertising that I have on my channel. Now, my channel is being watched pretty seriously, pretty okay. So I get some micro payments, which is just enough for me to buy stuff like my video lights, or a new flash drive flash card for my video camera, or maybe that tripod. So a few things that I can do from these payments, which are great. But YouTube stops these payments if I don't have 1,000 subscribers. Now, I've reached around 800 subscribers at this moment, so I need only 200 more. So what I did is I made an extra trailer video, and I've put that in an advertisement. So this is being spread around by YouTube, and I hope to receive those 200 last subscribers because I have to reach that goal before the 2nd of February. So this is why I made that trailer, to get a little bit more subscribers. So new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for watching and tuning in. So let's get back to the video. We're gonna do some unboxing. I've ordered loads of stuff last week. Due to my Photoshop that I did, I know what kind of foot pegs I want. I know that I want a certain type of muffler. I need some manifolds for that. Those handlebars have to come in. So this is what I all did and ordered. Now, I've received all these boxes and I haven't opened them yet. So this will be the first time that I'm going to open them. So I'm just as excited as you are. So let's get on with it. I've got this big box here and I'm going to take some stuff out of that box. This is the Caferacer's address where I order a lot of stuff. And I've got this box. Let's have a look what's in this box. Oh, look at that. It's the headlight. And I knew that I wanted a big headlight. And that big headlight looks like this. Hey, there's no bulb in there. That's the first thing that I see. There are some wires here. So probably I just have to insert the bulb myself. That's okay. It's matte black, which looks great. And I want to fit it immediately. I don't know if you can see, but that looks great. That looks great. Right size. Okay, great. Happy with that. Let's put that in carefully so it doesn't damage or get some scratches. What else do we have here? Oh, look at that. Now, these are wires. I know that a lot of viewers are waiting for that wiring program that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a special video of that. But the nice thing is you can order it at these guys from Caferacer. You just get a set with different sizes of cables and different colors. Now you can also order these rolls, and you have to select your own colors. But this is just specially for motorcycles, so they are all about, I think, 2 meters long or something. Just enough that you can work with it, and the different sizes are great. So the red wires are a little bit thicker, and the orange wires are a little bit thicker. So this is great, so I have all these colors in-house. If I miss something, I also have wires in my garage. I can fill them for what I missed. So this is great, and this is already for my technical part, electrical part. Hey, look at that. That's a handlebar. Okay, this is opened already. I didn't know that was a really like an enduro kind of handlebar. Street low, it says. This is actually a fat bar. Now, I know that I have two 22 millimeters clamps, and these fat bars won't fit, but I really had a lot of trouble finding the right steering handlebars And these just look perfect for what I need. Maybe I will even put them upside down. I don't know yet, which would look cool. I don't know yet. I'm not convinced yet how I'm gonna do that. But this should be the right handlebar, I think. Why did we make it fat bar? Because I like it that it's thicker in the middle. I'm not really happy with this logo here, but it's cool that it's thicker in the middle, so that yeah, because the front forks also are really big. The tank is really big, so it doesn't have to be too small in the middle. That wouldn't be nice. If you have 22 millimeters, then maybe it's, yeah, just a little bit too small-ish. Okay, what do we have here? Look at that. Those are the clamps. The clamps for the headlight. Really light, really expensive as well. I think these are great. 48 millimeters, so they will fit like that, and I'm happy with those. It's just clamps, but they also are really important. You shouldn't be too picky on those. So, okay. Is there anything more in that box? I thought I also had risers ordered of 28 millimeters, if I'm right, or 26 for those fat bar. But that was the first box, and let's look at the second. Let's put that there. Okay, what do we have here? This, I don't know where this came from. Oh, I know what it is. This is, yes. Guys, whoa, it's way smaller than I thought. These are the mufflers, which you probably can't see, but that angle is perfect. It's just as in my Photoshop, but in real eye, it's a little bit smaller than I thought, which is okay, which is cool. And this is probably the bracket to hang it on, which is okay, but maybe we will have to adjust that a little bit. It's great, it looks great. And this goes to the metal workshop as soon as I have those manifolds, and I think I have those manifolds today as well. Next box. Okay, this is from Boonstramotor, which is, they sell, what do they sell? They sell used parts. So they buy all these crashed bikes and all the parts that are still usable. Look at that. Those are the footrests. You can use all used parts. These are footrests. They came as a set. I found them as a set. They said special. I don't know why, but they come from an R1. I like these. Why? Because they don't have the round pegs. Everybody uses the round pegs, and I thought this is kind of special. So I really like those. And there I also ordered, there it is. Great that they also put this cap in. This is for the brake, the rear brake pump, which just fits like that. It's also from an R1. Great. You can see it probably like that. This is great. This is for your shifting mechanism. Great. I don't know if it's long enough. We'll see. Otherwise, we make it ourselves. And these are handlebar units. Now, you might think, why did you order these? I like it because they are matte black. And this one has a choke on the bar. So I need a choke and I don't want it on my engine to make it myself. So there will be going a wire from the choke to here, so I can manually adjust it on my steer. These are from a FZ600 phaser. Yes, and they look great. Perfect. Happy with those? Nothing else? No, nothing else. Great. So I will take these to the workshop so we can fit those on the bike. I won't be using the brackets, by the way, on my bike, the standard brackets. Okay, next box. Whoops. Oh yeah, this is opened already. I haven't showed you. I already had this. This is my last Kellerman rear brake light and rear light. It's the small, way out of proportion priced blinking light. I have 4 of those. Two are for the rear, and they also have the red, and the fronts also have, or just have orange. This is my my lock, my ignition lock, just standard, and I will probably put that under my tank like that. Did the same with the scrambler. This is if I'm gonna use this. I probably won't. The same goes for these are fuse boxes. I'm gonna make a special fuse box plus bridge, so I can put all my negative wires in one strip and all the positive wires in one strip with fuses, together with fuses. I will show you in another video. I probably would, this was just I just came. I just saw it on the website, so I just ordered it. Okay, next box, and this is a really nice one. Hope I can carry this here like this. Here we go. Now these are manifolds. These are manifolds, and let's see how I can open this easy. Where can I open these? I'm not gonna open it completely. I'm just gonna take a few parts out, I guess. Okay, so this is an example of a manifold. And some other examples of manifolds. I hope we can use these. Why? I have ordered a lot of them. Really a lot of them. The only thing is I didn't know that they all came with this part. This is too bad because we won't be using this part. We have to cut that off. But the bends are important. In different angles, different degrees. These ones are closed, but we're not gonna put them together like that. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna saw that off here, and we're gonna weld it on there to make our, complete exhaust. I hope Racerman can work with this. We never done it before like this. The last time Racerman ordered his own pipes, just exactly what he needed, but this took really long, and now I just made a kind of gamble. I've ordered loads of different sizes and bends and degrees of, and I hope that we can work with that, and otherwise we will have to cut. I also have this really long piece. We can cut from this piece everything that we need, and if we are short on whatever, then I can always order some extra. So as you can see, a lot of bends and a lot of different angles, and I hope I have enough. There are a lot of them in there, but it's a really deep box. Here's some extra. Another one of those. And some small ones as well, like these, as extra. I think that we have, yeah, we really can work with this. I hope, actually I hope. You can go in every angle that you need. Yeah, and let's hope that we can make kind of an exhaust from that. So what we just saw, I will use that rental steering handlebar because the width is perfect, the sway and everything is perfect. The only thing is I didn't want that logo of rental on the front, but okay, I can live with that. And maybe I can do something with coloring that. But it's perfect, so I need new clamps. So if anybody needs 22mm clamps, risers, that I have there, they are for sale. Just leave a comment in the section below, because I won't be using those. Furthermore, yeah, that muffler really came out well. It really looked good. Also the bends or the manifolds, yeah, I hope that works out. We'll just have to see. And furthermore, the foot pegs. What I saw is that the foot pegs, maybe I will use those brackets, because those brackets are where I can mount those rests. So I have to discuss that with my metal worker. What's the best to do if we're gonna make those brackets ourselves, just exactly for the foot pegs, or if we will use these brackets. We will see in a workshop. That's something we have to decide there. What I will do next week is we're gonna make that manifold. This is a big job, so we're gonna put a lot of effort in that. I'll be there as much as possible, but obviously also I have the time schedule and I have my daily work. So we'll have to see how we're gonna fit that in, but for sure I'll make a video of that and you will see that video next week. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. I'm gonna need 1,000 subscribers to keep this channel up, because otherwise it will be really hard for me to find my ways to weekly make these videos. So share my videos if you like. Thank you for watching again. Throw those thumbs up as well. Subscribe here and watch my other channel, my other videos here. And thank you for watching this one. Thank you. Bye.